Hello children, how are you? Hope you will fine. Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Please subscribe my channel as well as press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos. Today I am going to take class 6th maths, the very first chapter. As in my earlier videos I have taken 1 or 2 classes. Then after that I am continuing that with the topic place value. This is very common topic but very important one. That is why we have to consider this one. So let us come to this point. Okay, see, place value. Place value, whenever we are discussing about place value, then two things are coming into our mind. Here we have to write that in Indian place value chart or in an international place value chart. So we are writing that in chart so that it is easier to name it, to identify it whether it is larger number of 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit. So let us see the first system, that is Indian place value system. Indian place value system is described under Indian place value chart. Okay, the first one, here I have made 2 columns for you, 2 tables for you. First is for Indian place value and second one is for international place value. Okay, look, the above I have written whatever I have written. These are known as 100, 1000, lakh and crore. These are known as what? Period. These are known as periods. Okay. And after that, places, that I'll write in front of you only. See, the first one column, that is 100 column. In 100 column, what is coming under that? Ones place. These are places. So the very first place is ones place. Second place is what? Tens place. Third place is 100 place. Then it is 1000 place. We are writing it TH. Then 10,000. For 10,000 we are writing TTH. Then lakhs L. 10 lakh TL. Crore C. And 10 crore. Right? Suppose I have taken one number. Okay. Let us take one number. Any number you can take. Let me take a random number. Any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now how you'll name it? How you'll name it? It is very easy if we'll put that into this table. Let us put it into the table. You have to always keep in mind, you have to start from the last number. Okay. So what is written over here? 9. So put 9 here. This is ones place. This is tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Right? Now see, here I have written 9. Then after what is there? 8 is there. Then after what is there? 7 is there. Then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. Now, if I'll ask you, what is the number name of it? Now by looking at this table, you can easily tell its name. See, let us try. This is for which place? Crores. This is lakhs, this is 1000, this one is 100. Okay, right? See, it is 1 crore, it is 10 crore. So it is what? 1 tens and 2 ones means 12. 12 crore, right? So I am writing over here, what? 12 crore. Okay. Then see, 12 crore. Then after what is written? Lakh. 34, 3 tens, 4 ones. So 34 lakh. Right? Then 56 what? 1000. 56 what? 1000. 56,000. Right? Then after 7 100, 8 tens, 80, 9 ones, 9, 789. 789. Is it clear to you? It's very easy. Now put comma. One more thing is there. You have to put comma, then you can easily name it. Suppose, look at here. One period is having how many places? 3 places. The very first period is having 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So after 3 you have to put comma. Put comma here. Then after see, in the second place, how many places are there? 2. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Put comma here. Then after see, how many places are there? In lakhs, 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Put comma here. So 12 lakh, 12 crore, 34 lakh, 56,789. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now let us come to the next topic. First we have read about the Indian place value. Then we will read about international place value chart. Here we are writing an international navigation. Okay. So let us see. Here I have made just table like this only, but here a little bit changes there. See the columns. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is same, but here see 1, 2, 3. 3 places are there in one column. First one is same in Indian and in international. See the second one, 1000 place. Here also, here it is 100 place. So write it 100. 100 place. In 100 place, same places are there. Ones, tens and 100, right? Then after which is 1000. THOU, 1000. Then after, here it is 1000, 1000. Here it is 10,000. And here it is 100,000. So here the difference comes. In Indian, there is no 100 place in 1000 period. But in international, in 1000 period, there are 3 places. Ones, tens and 100 place. Okay. Now come to the third period, that is what? Million. Million. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Right? Then after fourth period is what? Billion. Right? Billion, 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Okay. Now children, let me take this number only. I am just rubbing its comma. I have given one more. I added one more value here. Okay. Now let us, if you have to write it or you have to name it in international way, how you will name it. See. Here, again, the same way as we have done over here, we will do with this also. So, from the very last number, see, I'm just writing it here. I think it is visible to you. Okay. This is 8. Then this is 7 at 100 place. Then 6,000 place. 5. Then 4. Then 3. Then 2. Then 1 and then 1. Okay. Now look here. Here I just rub this. Okay. So that it is clear. Now look. This is the number. Firstly, put the comma. See the first period. How many places are there? 1, 2, 3. So after 3 places. Then after, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then how many places are there? Say 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we are not having number. We are not only. Now just name it. See. What I have written? 1 million. 1 billion. So it is what? 1 billion. 1 billion 123, 100, 2 tens and 3 ones. So 123 million. 123 23 million. Then see, million is over, then 1456. So write over here 456. What? 56? What? This is which period? 1000. So write over here 1000. Then 789. 1789. So I think it will be clear to you. For more so that you can get it properly, you have to take some example by yourself, okay, and then put it into this table, and then name it by yourself, okay, then check it by your mother or your father, okay. So I think this is clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel, okay, and we'll meet again in my next video. Thank you.